I'm Chef Laura Bonicelli, and I'm here with tip number 6 out of 15 tips to make you a better cook. Tip number 6 is clean up as you go. Cleaning the kitchen while cooking is essential for several reasons, including reducing stress, preventing mistakes, and promoting safety. Spills, scraps, and dirty dishes can accumulate rather quickly, creating a chaotic and frustrating environment. If you clean the kitchen between steps in a recipe, you can prevent this clutter and ensure your workspace remains organized and safe. You will drastically reduce the possibility of cross-contamination. A relatively clean kitchen will increase your focus, which can help prevent mistakes like using the wrong ingredient or forgetting a step in a recipe. It will also help you stay on track and ensure your dishes come out exactly as planned. The best benefit, though, is you won't face a pile of dishes at the end. We have many tips to help you cook in an organized, efficient, and successful way in the Cooking Club. Visit BonicelliCookingClub.com, grab some free recipes when you sign up for our email list, and join.